Hey guys, it's Skeptic from Skeptic Lab. 2 days ago, I showed an analysis of S&P 500 and I shared this long trigger for 6,290. Lol. So that just got activated and we are up like 0.35%. Now, I want to talk about what to do if you missed the trigger, and this will be educational, not about price prediction or anything like that. So, if you want to learn how to avoid FOMO after missing a trigger, stay patient for new structure and trade them. Stick with me till the end of these lessons. So, the first option you have as a reaction trader can wait for a pullback. When we break and box ceiling, it's often to pull back that as a support. So at that level, you can buy with a stop loss below the bottom of the box. The second option you have after the pullback, if you form an engulf candle, you could go long with that engulf. So what's engulf? Imagine we have a bearish candle like that. If we forming a bullish candle after that with this type of bodies that we fill the previous body of that bearish candle, that would be an engulf candle. Easy. So that's your second option. The third one is the breaking of the resistance we just formed after that pullback. Like that. That would be your line trigger. Number 4. After the second wave, if you formed a range bound box or a range correction, anything, if you form an indecision candle, you could go long with that. And if you're wondering what indecision candle, I just wrote this article about that. I will link this in the description. But if I want to say it, summarize, the indecision candle forms during the second wave of a price movement and reflects a tug of war between buyers and sellers. For example, in an uptrend, the lower shadow of the candle is more than 1.5x the body size, indicating a strong buyer presence. The upper shadow is smaller than the body, showing limited seller pressure. So that's indecision candle that would have massive risk ratio for you. Number 5. After the second wave that formed, we will arrive somewhere that we would saw a reject from that level, a massive reject. That would be our main resistance. It could be a correction phase after that, could insert a long correction, whatever. The main thing is that we have a massive reject at that level, okay? So there's kind of option you have. You can go long after the breakout. You could get some confirmation from other side or whatever oscillator you use as indicate the momentum. So that would be your number 5 option. Anyway, if you've got question about breakout trading, well, I wrote a detailed article explaining it all, and I will drop the link in the description below. Alright, that's the 5 waves to re-enter after missing a trigger without FOMO. In short, number 1, buy at the pullback zone. Number 2, buy on an engulfing candle after the pullback. Number 3, buy after breaking the resistance formed by the pullback. Number 4, buy after the second wave with an indecision candle. And number 5, finally, buy after the breaking key resistance covering by RSI or a momentum-based oscillator. That's it for today's lessons. If you liked it, give it a boost and follow for more tutorials. If there is something specific you want to listen on, drop it in the comments. And if it's within my knowledge, I will do my best to help so we can grow together. Catch you at the next one.